Welcome students, we will be working and studying the CXC paper 2017 math. So this is the first question. We are expected to get the exact value of 3 1 over 2 times 1 2 over 3 over 4 1 over 5. So let me consider the numerator, which is 3 1 over 2 times 1 2 over 3. This gives me 6 added with 1, 7 over 2 times 3 times 1 is 3 added with 2 would give me 5 over 3. So this is for the numerator. In fact, you can either simplify it or just leave it like that. Now you consider the denominator, which is 4 1 over 5. This is going to be 4 times 5 is 20. 20 added with 1 would give me 21 over 5. So therefore the numerator over the denominator is going to be, the numerator is 7 over 2 times 5 over 3. The denominator is 21 over 5. You flip it. This is 7 over 2 times 5 over 3 times 5 over 21. Now 7 divides here 3 times. 5 into 5 is 25. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. Now you will have to further reduce it. So divide 25 by 18. 18 times 1 is 18. You will get a remainder of 7. So this is going to be rewritten as 1. The remainder is 7 and the divisor is 18. So this is how you have to write the value, and this is the right place for us to stop. Probably you can box it or just leave it as it is. So this is the final solution for this particular question. So let's go on to the next one. So this is the next one. We are expected to evaluate this. We can use calculators. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to key in 0.1014 divided by 1.5. What do we get? This is the value we get. We get a value of 0.0673. But apparently we need to take the square root of this value. So let me take the square root of this value. Square root of 0.0673. That's going to be equal to 0.2594. So on this end we got 5.47. So 5.47 minus, just key in the value, 5.47 minus 0.2594. What is that going to be? That's going to be equal to 5.2106. So this is the value we are getting. Now what we can do is we can just give it as 5.21. Okay. So that is the solution for this question. We move on to the next one. Now in the next question for B, we are given this data. So this is tickets sold for a bus store. So there's going to be category, number of tickets sold, cost per ticket in dollars, and total cost. Total cost in dollars. This is cost per ticket. So this is juvenile, and the number of tickets sold is 5. Cost per ticket is given as P, and the total cost is 130.50. Now youth, it's given as 14. Cost per ticket is 44.35. This is given as Q. Adult is given as R. Cost per ticket we don't know, it's not given. And the total is 2483.60. we are asked to get P, Q, R, and we are also asked to fill this. Okay, so we will have to start with the first one. Now the number of tickets, to get the value of P, cost per ticket is P and total cost is given as 130.50. So P is going to be equal to the total cost divided by the number of tickets sold. So the total cost is 13.50. The number of tickets sold is 5. So 5 divides here 10 times, 6 times, 1 times, 0. So therefore the cost per ticket is $26.10. This is also P, so you can box that result. Now we are asked to get the value for Q, which is the total cost. So total cost is equal to number of tickets sold multiplied with cost per ticket. So 14 tickets are sold and 44.35. So you can multiply 44.35 with 14. 4 5s are 22, 12, 14 carry 1, 16, 17, 1, 16, 17, 5, 3, 4, 4, 0, 9, 10, 12 and 6. So after 2 digits is decimal. So 62090. So this is the total cost, which is nothing but $620.90. So you can box that result. I hope you are watching this. Now for the next question, we are given that the adult ticket costs twice the youth ticket. So this means adult ticket cost is equal to 2 times of 44.35. This is actually the value given here. Okay, so you multiply this, what do you get? 5 times 2 is 10, 3 times 2 6, and this is going to be 7 and 8. So this is the cost of the adult ticket. Cost of adult ticket is this. Now we need to get the value of R. Okay, so to get the value of R, therefore R is actually number of tickets sold, right? R is the number of tickets sold is equal to 2483.60 divided by 88.70. I'm going to use the calculator. So 2483.60 divided by 88.70, 28. So number of adult tickets sold is equal to 28. So now they are asking us to find the total amount collected. So this is the last part, total amount collected. So the total amount collected is going to be 130.50, 620.90, and this is already given 2483.60. So you have to add all of this. Let us add them. 130.50, okay, plus 620.90 plus 2483.60. So equal to, what do you get? you get a value of 3235. $3235. Okay, now 15% tax is paid on this. So 15% tax is paid. So what does it mean? It means if you want to get the amount paid, you have to take 0.15 multiplied with 3235. So you multiply with 0.15. What do you get? You get $1 of 485.25. This is the tax that is paid for this collected money. So that is the conclusion for this question. We move on to the next one.